the summer tree. The typical breakfast in Hong Kong. It's a combination of noodles. This is mustard pickle, rice noodles, and combination of bread and egg. Enson orders satay noodles, beef satay noodles, and also he has a bread with cheese and luncheon meat and hot dogs, and we have also our drinks. So this one 37 for him, 32 for me, because I order hot coffee. So that's it. So dito kami kumain ng breakfast namin. So ayan, ito na restaurant to. Actually lang guys, itong street na to, puro siya restaurant, pero yung iba hindi pa nagbukas. Ayan. I think iba't ibang cuisine. Meron ding Indian restaurant, meron ding ramen restaurant, which is meron silang icon ng Labubudal. Ayan. So malapit ito sa sa Kowloon City. Ayan. So ito yung ramen. Meron pa siyang ibang restaurant na hindi pa bukas. I think na mamaya pa siya magbubukas. Ayan. So sabi kasi ng alaga ko na medyo napaaga kami. Meron siyang dental appointment dito sa Kowloon City Center. Ayan. So, may nakita siyang McDonald's, pero sabi ko ayokong kumain ng McDonald's. So, maghanap tayo ng ibang restaurant. Actually, yung unang video na pinakita ko, which is typical breakfast na ina-offer ng restaurant dito sa Hong Kong. Ayan. So, meron siyang bread, meron siyang egg. You can choose whether luncheon meat or hot dogs. And then, may kasabay niyan noodles. Ayan. Yun yung pinakita ko, guys. This is Bailey Street. Ayan. So, ang napakatirik ng araw. So, this is located here in Hong Kong. We took bus. So, nandito yan sa Kowloon City Health Center. So, dito ang niyan ng kanyang dental appointment. So far, tarik ng araw. So, kailangan natin antayin. Bawal ang jaywalking dito kasi mapapalo tayo ng pulis. Nakalimutan kong magdala ng payong. We are here at the streets of Hung Hom. Yeah. So we visit the Kowloon City. Kowloon City Center, which dental clinic, government dental clinic. So napakainit. Hindi kami nakadala ng payong, so ang tanga namin. Tirik na tirik ang araw. So we're looking for the MTR. Sabi niya, alam niya daw, so I believe him. Where?
You need to go this, go side.
And so, tinanggal niya yung jacket niya kasi sobrang init. Yung jacket niya, pang inner ng winter jacket niya yan sa school uniform. Ayan. So, actually, ang MTR, straight lang naman. So, hinayaan ko lang siya kasi siya yung, guide. So, binaybay niya yung mga sign na MTR. So, umakyat pa kami. Hindi ko malaman kung saan kami pupunta. Pero, hinayaan ko lang siya kasi alam niya daw. Ayan. So, tatawid kami dyan. Ayan. Yung unang pinakita kong flower, dyan lang yan siya dapat. Dyan na yung MTR. So, dahil hinayaan ko yung alaga ko, sige, lakad kami ng lakad. Tirik ang araw, wala kaming payong. Pwede din naman kaming mag-bus, pabalik. Kaya, nagsabi niya mag-MTR daw kami. So, wala, hinayaan ko lang siya kung anong gusto niya sa buhay. Basta tirik na tirik ang araw. Actually, guys, this video was taking month of May. Ayan. So, May also is a unpredictable weather. Okay, sa haba-haba ng prosesyon, nakita na rin namin ang MTR. So, tatawid na naman kami. Wala na kaming ginawa sa buhay namin na maglakad sa tirik ang araw. Natatawa na lang talaga ako sa guide ko. So, eto na siya, guys. Tumawid na naman kami. Actually, yung straight na sinabi ko sa'yo, nakita ko na yung alam kong doon na yung MTR. Pero lumibot pa rin kami. Ewan ko ba sa batang ito. Hinayaan ko na lang talaga siya sa buhay niya. Gusto niyang maglakad. Ako, wala naman akong problema. Kahit na tirik ang araw. Ayan. So, month of May, merong time na mainit, humid. Ayan. So, yan yung weather ng May. So, kailangan nyo magdala ng payong, which kami hindi namin nadala yung payong namin. So, okay lang kasi kaya naman. So, ayan guys. So, ito yung view ng labas ng MTR day sa Toccoan. Ayan siya. Tapos, din siya guys. Mahaba-haba din ang lakaran dito. And Toccoan is part of Chunma Line. Ayan. So, after Toccoan, mag-interchange kami ng pa Diamond Hill. Kowloon Bay Station. So na may bulaklak din pala yan siya. Hindi ko lang malaman kung anong klaseng halaman yan siya, guys. Pero marami siya along the road. So this is Kowloon Bay. Welcome to the Kowloon Bay Station, guys. So I'm here inside the train. So yan. Napuntahan natin yung park na yan, day and night. Meron akong video sa YouTube. Yan. I've been there. Yao Chau Kok. So after Kowloon Bay is Yao Chau Kok or Old Chau Kok. So, I also been there. Pero hindi ko siya nalibot. Ayan. So, I think mayroong mga bagong buildings. Meron ding old. Kagaya niyan. So, meron silang garden din. Old Chau Kok Station is to exit A and B. Tsaka papunta na ng subway. Ayan, so still here in Old Chau Kok Station. So after Autocop station is ano yung sunod na station. So
Next station,
Kuntong. So I've been here, Yemen Square. So at night, may ilaw yan at saka nilalagay nila si Panda. But I think hindi na nila nilalagay si Panda. So also, this is the playground. But I think the playground is in renovation, so close ang playground. At dito din pa na yung school ng alaga ko. So, also under renovation. Ayan, so may building din na I think it's connect to the MTR. Dito nila may swimming pool. So open na yan kasi it's summer. So it's Lamti na guys. And after that, ano siya, underground na. Papunta ng North Point. So it's another island. Ayan siya guys. So meron ding magandang blooming plants.